information and communication technologies are present in many of the activities that we do on a daily basis. Have you ever considered the large amount of tasks that you do through your phone or computer? Attending online classes, chatting, looking up information, paying, listening to music or watching series. All in all, ICT is transforming the way we live and work. But are you aware of its significance and the occupations that make it possible? First of all, the ICT sector includes everything related to the projection, planning and installation of communication infrastructure, equipment and systems. Such transmission of data and information is carried out electronically and maybe via cable, satellite or radio. Secondly, we can find a subsector of digital solutions, which aim to respond to the needs of companies and individuals through technology. This includes designing mobile apps and office software, preventing cyber attacks, analyzing your browsing history to issue recommendations, and supporting companies that want to transform digitally by applying technologies, such as artificial intelligence, big data, or Internet of Things. Lastly, there is the technical support and maintenance of networks and computer systems. These include preventive services, such as having an antivirus installed, repair services, such as taking your computer, phone or tablet for repair, and improvement services, such as having updates or new software installed. Barcelona is a great hub of digital talent in Europe. According to the study Digital Talent Overview 2021, 6,700 ICT jobs were created in the city last year, amounting to a total of 84,120 ICT professionals that made up for 95% of the digital talent in the whole of Catalonia. On a state level, in 2019, there were 25,905 companies providing ICT services. 17.5% of those were dedicated to programming, consulting or repairing, amongst other computer services. As you probably know, digitalization is rapidly spreading to all economic sectors. As a consequence, there is a greater demand for ICT professionals than can be covered, which forces companies to search for qualified staff beyond our borders. This is notably the case with technologies that are most used currently, such as systems engineering, cloud architecture, cybersecurity, data science, blockchain, and web development. Besides the expansion of 5G technology, which will imply massive investments in network infrastructure, will foster the applications based on artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things. 5G technology will bring better quality connectivity, data transmission, and speed. This will lead to, for example, hyper-connected smart cities, telehealthcare, or the creation of virtual learning environments based on cloud data. Today, the sector is facing several challenges. As we have already mentioned, there is a larger demand for professionals that can be covered. This creates employment opportunities for many people through qualification or retraining in matters of ICT. In this sense, we must promote the incorporation of women who are still underrepresented in this sector. Although the gender gap is narrowing, it is still significant and only 29% of ICT professionals in the city are women. Also, we must reduce the digital divide, which affects people that lack the necessary technology skills or financial resources to access the Internet. During this decade, it is expected the ICT sector in the European Union will increase by 16% due to the acceleration of technology changes and digitalization. This sector will be constantly growing in the future and, as you can see, technologies bring a whole world of professional opportunities. Don't you think about it twice and get connected.